Hi, boys and girls. Today I'm going to read to you Everyone Loves Underpants, and it's written by Claire Friedman and Ben Court. This book is much smaller than the other books that we were reading, so I'm going to hold it up nice and close to the camera so that you can see it. Here's the first page. It's different than the other ones. It's missing my favorite page, isn't it? Shout hip, hooray for underpants. Let's sing the silly song. Underpants are wonder pants. We love pants all day long. Look, she's wearing some bloomers on her head. It's very silly. Aliens love underpants. They're fun and stretchy, snappy, and hanging pants elastic makes the aliens so happy. So here's this page. Monsters all love underpants. In every shape and style, they look extremely silly, but it makes the monsters smile. Dinosaurs love underpants, and it's no big surprise. They love their pants ginormous to fit their giant size. Pirates so love underpants in patterns bright and bold, and love to sing and dance around their treasured pants of gold. Yes, everyone loves underpants. That's why we're all together. To celebrate from underpants. We love our pants forever. So here is the spaceship. And there's dinosaurs, and there's monsters, and there's pirates, and there's aliens all together. So shout, hooray for underpants! Yes, underpants are fun. In each bright color, shape, and size, we love them, every one. They're all together again on this page. And here is the end, and it's just a small little page with some different kinds of underwear. I hope you enjoyed Everyone Loves Underpants. That is the last one of the Underpants books until Christmas time. And that's when I will read you the last one because it has something to do with Christmas. So you'll have to wait. I hope you enjoyed it.